All right, next we're going to make the top piece and the bottom piece of the lamp here. So let's jump right in, and we are going to start off by making the top. So let's start a new sketch on this top surface right there, and we're going to use these two corners and also that piece and that piece. All right, and I'm going to hide all parts so we can kind of see what's going on there. Get a nice top view going. All right, we're going to make a rectangle from these corners, and that rectangle is actually going to be just a guide so that we can create an offset of all of these going in the opposite direction, and this is how much you want that lid to stick off the top edge there. So we can see that it's how big you want your lid to be over the top, and you know, it's really up to you. I'm gonna go with that. That looks good to me. All right, 0.5, why not? Make it a nice even number. And we're gonna be done with that, and we're gonna next round off these corners using a fillet right here. It's a nice little tool to give it a little angle. You can try that out. See how you like the look of that. Again, you can play with the size of that, make it look however you like. I want it like that, maybe. All right, looking good. Now, if you want to add anything to that and put some other holes in there or something like that, you're welcome to do that right now. I'm going to call that good for now, and I'm going to extrude this. I'm going to extrude this surface, and I do not want those holes. I do want that hole though. You can kind of see that's looking pretty good there now. That should be the thickness though. All right, we're cruising. We have a lid now. All right. Next, we are going to make the bottom piece that's going to fit in there. So to do that, we don't have a surface here to draw on that's really in the right spot. So we're going to have to create a new surface, create a plane, offset. So if I click on plane, it gives me an offset. So it's offset from this surface going downwards. I'm going to kind of place that where I think it's going to look good. How far down I want it, that's too far. You know, maybe right there looks pretty good to me. Why not? All right, I'm going to say OK. And there is my new surface that I'm going to start a new sketch on. Bingo. And this new sketch, I'm going to look at it from the bottom here. All right. I'm going to steal a couple things again. I'm going to steal this corner and this corner. And then I'm also going to steal this little tab spot and this little tab spot to make life real easy for me. And to make this a little cleaner, I'm going to hide all your parts there again for you. And repeating the same kind of idea. Notice this time, this needs to be smaller than the tabs because these tabs are going to fit, this needs to fit inside the box that we were creating here. All right, and we're extruding this again. This thickness is what we're going for there. All right, it's going upwards, and let's say OK. Now let's show all our parts here. Look at that. We got that tab, that surface is going in there. I'm going to hide that plane so you don't have to look at that. All right, and look at that. It's fitting right in there. The one thing we can kind of see here is that this isn't a hole in this piece yet, so we got to go fix that right now. We are going to do a Boolean, and we're going to say subtract. The tool is that piece. What's getting cut, the target, is the side two pieces there. And click that. There we go. Keep the tool. Bingo, we officially have a little box, little feet on there and a lid and all that good stuff. In the next video, we're going to look at how to put your designs on the side and how to put the hole for the light bulb to fit in also. Enjoy. I'll see you soon.